secret, I have always been interested in your pee. But it seems like it's caught on in an entirely new way, a brand new trend. Over the summer, everybody was talking about the alkaline diet. And believe it or not, a lot of women on it are using the pee strips to track their progress. So check out all these headlines. These are all real, by the way. Unbelievable. You know, why all the cool kids are bringing pee strips to bars, the miracle cure alkaline diet was just another fad. So all these headlines got me thinking. So how does the alkaline diet work? Take a look.
It's the diet that broke the internet. Celebs swear by it, and now women everywhere are using the alkaline diet to shed pounds. The rules are simple. Do eat alkaline-friendly foods like fruits, nuts, and vegetables. Don't eat processed foods, meats, and refined sugar that cause your body to produce harmful acid, which is stored in fat cells, making you gain weight. The idea behind the diet? Certain foods can affect the pH of your body, and eating too many acid-forming foods is bad, overwhelming the body with acid and preventing you from losing weight. So, how do you measure your body's pH? Women on the alkaline diet now get together for so-called pee parties, where they use test strips to check the pH of their urine and, or so they believe, the pH of their whole body and their progress on the diet. Bravo star Chantel Fraser and her friends are alkaline diet devotees and frequent pee party hosts, touting the parties as fun and even addictive.
For me, it's changed my life. Since I started the alkaline diet, I've lost about 40 pounds. My friends and I are constantly competing to see who is the most alkaline. It started off as like a bit of healthy competition, but it's kind of become a bit of an obsession for me. If I'm at a bar, if I'm on a date, I'll test my date's alkaline levels. It's definitely something that's become a huge part of my life.
So what's the truth behind the trendy headlines? And is the alkaline diet right for you?
So today, I am weighing in. Is there really any value to knowing the pH of your pee, and does it even matter for weight loss? But first, let's have a little bit of fun here. I asked you all, the entire audience here, because it's not often that I have people come to my home, the studio, and do this, but I asked you all to pee on a strip. Did you all do it? Yeah. All right, so if you don't mind, pull out your strips. I've got mine here. I did the same. Show me your strips. Now shake the hand of the person next to you. Not that simple. One person, I gotta be honest here, one person didn't really understand the directions, they peed into the bag. They really did. They're not in the studio right now, I don't think. Or maybe they are and they'll come clean, figuratively speaking. All right, so everyone, look at this good color. So everyone look at your color. Let me hold them up, let me see here. So orange, or sort of red, that means that you're acidic. If you're sort of this neutral yellowish color, all of us are in that range here, a lot of yellows, you're sort of neutral, you're in the middle, right? But if you've got green, that means you're alkaline. So who's green? Oh, that's green. That's a really green color. Now compare that. Oh my goodness. Is that yours?
Yeah.
Wasn't saliva or anything, it was urine?
No, it was green.
It was green. All right, and are you proud of your green color?
I don't know. I do this with my doctor.
You do?
Yeah, I have a diet doctor.
Oh,
he makes me do this.
And it works? Is it usually green like that?
I don't know. He usually yells at me.
Yes. Doctors do that a lot, don't we?
Yeah.
Why does he yell at you?
Because last time I was supposed to have like 80 points and I had 5.
That doesn't sound good.
It was like a holiday, so I had to celebrate the day before.
Yes,
I'm Italian.
Yes, it comes to the territory. All right. So according to the diet, you want this yellowish green color that you have, and thank you for showing it to us. And it means that you're sort of in the right spot. So sorry, you're good. Where's Karen? Right. Here, he can hold my strip if you want. No. Karen, stand up if you don't mind. Karen, actually, you've been on the alkaline diet.
I have, almost 2 years now.
Okay, may I see yours?
Yes, you may. I give it a B+.
So you decided to go on this alkaline diet.
Yes.
And do you do these little pee strips everywhere you go?
When I started, I did. And it's remarkable because it was very, as you had mentioned, it was very orange in the beginning. Mm-hmm. But then when I started to eat more wholesome foods, more foods that are alkaline, I became like, if I have wheatgrass shots in the morning, I will have a bright green pea strip.
So, have you seen a medical benefit besides your urine changing its pH?
Absolutely.
What's
Absolutely.
going on?
Well, first of all, naturally, I actually lost some weight, which is always nice because so many of us want to look a little better. What I didn't realize, though, is that I feel so much better than I've ever felt.
Are you guys curious about this diet?
Yeah.
All right, so here's the deal. Let me speak honestly about this, because I see a lot of diets. My bottom line.
Totally.
I don't actually know if it's important that my pH becomes greenish, like our Italian friend over there, or not. I don't know, but I do like the fact that this diet's centered around healthy food. And, your pH may not make a difference, but being on healthy food actually probably does.
Yes.
So I say bag the strips, my personal belief, unless so they're sort of fun to have at parties, and focus your attention on eating the healthy alkaline
Yes,
foods. And if you're willing to do
absolutely.
this with me,
Yes.
when we come back, let's walk the audience. If you'll stick around.
I would love it.
All right, Karen's going to walk
That'd
you
be
through
great.
with me. I'll help a little bit. What you should do if you're going to stay on the alkaline diet. Be right back.